Alright, hey YouTube, Male Cat Lady here. In this video, what I am doing, as my cat is messing with my light box, I am in the process of turning an old SKS rifle stock into a Vive controller gun stock to play games like Pavlov and, sorry if I butchered that pronunciation, but games like that. Because aiming with your two Vive controllers like this, trying to line up your hands and stuff in there, especially when it's a quick-paced game and stuff, multiplayer, it just doesn't cut it. So here is what my prototype looks like. Nice wood grain SKS rifle stock, and I got two Vive controllers attached via magnets. I got these little pucks here. Held in by some screws. So as you can see, they attach via magnets. It's not the strongest so far. I still have some kinks to work out. Take a whoop. See, one just fell off. But as you can see, it just kind of got a wing nut held on with a bolt, just kind of right through the bottom of the stock here. Just a couple magnets that I bought from the Home Depot. Yeah, I wish it was a little bit sturdier because I can't. They kind of seem to want to, you know, fall off. But it's kind of my prototype so far. I think I need some stronger magnets or some other mechanism to make this work a little bit better, but so far that's kind of where I'm at with this project. So if you got any other ideas on how to do this better or how to get these to be stronger or less flex, you know, hit me up in the comments below if you got any better ideas. Maybe this will inspire someone to do something similar with their own gun stock, if you have any lying around or know someone that has surplus of gun stock. So yeah, hopefully this video was kind of fun. I can't wait to try it out once I get kind of some tweaks working, but so far that's kind of my prototype here. Yeah, thanks for watching.